Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. Merry Christmas in advance to all my returning subscribers and those of you coming here for the first time. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe and join this amazing family. In today's video, what we have for you is how to make mackerel patties. The beautiful result is what you are seeing on my countertop. If you want to know how I came up with this yummy and tasty mackerel patties, please sit back. Let's dive right into the video. The recipes we have for these mackerel patties are set on the table already. I got here some pieces of steamed mackerel fish. You can use canned mackerel fish, salmon fish, or any fish of your choice. They all go for this recipe. This is my fish seasoning, dry rosemary, curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, onion. I'm using 1 egg. You can use more if you so wish. Dry basil. That is what I want. You can use fresh one if you so wish, and I got fresh chopped ginger and garlic. And lastly, this is breadcrumbs. The only recipe left here is my vegetable oil for frying. When the time comes, I will bring it out. Now I will pour the steamed mackerel fish inside a bigger bowl and start peeling off the skin with a spoon. You can use anything that will be easy for you to peel off the skin, and so I will be peeling it one after the other until I'm done. Please note, if you are using the canned mackerel fish, there will be no need for this. Alright, after peeling off the skin, I will then debone the fish and carefully flex it with my hands, but make sure you don't pieces it much because patty is supposed to have some chunks of fish in it. I'm done flexing it. God help me so that I will not finish this fish today before making the patties. Next, I will dice the veggies just a little from what you are seeing here because the mackerel fish I'm making is not plenty, but if you are using plenty, make sure you add hands in your veggies. Please note, we don't dice veggies for patties big so that it will be very easy to fold in the fish. Alright? Now I'm done dicing the veggies. As you can see, my pan is on the heat already. I will drop a little vegetable oil just to stir fry the veggies, after which I will add my dry rosemary. You can substitute this with dry thyme. After that, I add curry powder and I saute for just some few seconds, and after that I will add my chopped onion, red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper, and after that I will add just a pinch of salt to taste, and I will saute for a few minutes. Guys, remember that you can add this directly to the fish if you don't want to stir fry it like this, but hey, I don't want to eat a raw food here. This is okay. I will now set it aside to cool down. The veggies is cool now. I will add it to the fish. After that, I will add my egg. Make sure you use enough egg if you are not using cream like me. While you are using cream, you use a bit of this and this and they will come up good. After that, I will add my set of spices. I've mentioned the spices earlier before. Now hit the description box to get the name. After which I will add my garlic mixture and my basil. I will add some breadcrumbs. I will be adding it little by little. I will not add all at the same time, okay? With my clean hands, I will mix it until it is well combined. On these mackerel patties, you can add any spices or flavor of your choice, but what I'm using is the best spices and my choice of spices, okay? Wow, this is beautiful and it smells so good. I added another breadcrumbs. The essence of adding this breadcrumb and egg is to help it mold together. I don't know whether you get what I mean. Wow, this smells so good. Can you see how beautiful that looks like? This is lovely. And I'm done mixing it. Now I want to mold the patties, but before I do that, as you can see, I will sprinkle a little breadcrumbs on the tray so that the patties will not stick on it. Now I'm using a scooping spoon so that the size will be equal. The size is very important here, and I will mold it just like so, and after which I will use some breadcrumbs on top of it so that it will come out beautifully nice after frying it. Can you see that? This is so lovely. I will just beautify it just like so, and it's good to go. And I will go for another one. The shape you mold it is very important, but though this is my choice, you can mold yours anyhow you want. The most important thing is for it to come out nice, and this is how I will keep molding it beautifully like this, guys, until I am done. And when I'm done, Virtuous family, I will get back to you. Okay, this is how beautiful it looks like after molding it. Can you see that? This is good and lovely. Yes, we are almost at the last stage. Now we'll preheat some vegetable oil, just a little, because we don't need much on this recipe. And I will carefully add the mackerel patties one after the other. Okay, I don't want to crowd the pan. I think 3 is okay because my pan is a small one. And after that, I will keep my eyes on it. I am frying on a medium high. That is, the heat is not too high and it's not too low. Okay, and I will fry it until both sides is golden brown. Yeah, can you see how beautiful that looks like? Guys, you need to try this recipe this time. It is worth trying. So guys, can you see how beautiful that looks like? This is how I'll keep playing with it, moving it around, flipping it around until it is finally done. So this is good to go, guys. I will fry the remaining ones off the camera to save time. On this junction, Virtuous family, our mackerel patties is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Wow, Virtuous family, this is the amazing result. Can you see how beautiful and inviting the mackerel patties looks like? I want to test it on the camera so that you guys will feel the taste. I like eating my patties with some leftover rice, just like so. But though you can eat yours like that, it all goes. This is delicious. I'm really enjoying the taste. Can you see that? Look at that. Look at that. This is absolutely amazing, guys. You need to try this recipe out. All the flavors, the spices are on board. They really came out the way I wanted. Virtuous family, this is how I was able to arrange it for my thumbnail. Hope you enjoy every clip of this video today. Please, if you do enjoy the video, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your comment. Try these mackerel patties and give us your feedback in all our social media handle as usual. This is all we have for you for today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.